Hi, this is Asim and welcome to Archicodes. Today we are going to work on my subject urban morphology. If you recall, this is the map of Iliad from my last video where I explain how to create such exploded maps. Now moving on, I'll be creating a new map that will look into the road densities, road sizes altogether. And this time, this video would be a live scripting session where I'm going to figure this out right now here with you. So let's get on with it. Firstly, we hide all the stuff we don't need. Now, since we are going to look only at the roads, let's remove everything else. That is the buildings. These are all the roads. Actually, we would be needing um, the roads that are primary, secondary, and tertiary. So let's actually hide this as well. And yeah, have all these turned on. Okay, so these are highways, primaries, secondaries. Uh, where am I? Tertiary. There's something off. Yeah, these two. And this was the highway. Cool. This is technically it's primary. These are links. This is secondary, and then there would be the tertiary, which is this one. What are these? Unclassified road. Okay, so let's remove that. We're only going to look at this portion and create a map. Let's take out paint. I haven't used this since childhood. The idea is that we create a map uh, which has got these roads, secondary, tertiary, and all branching out. Okay. And then we cut sections through it. Have some more branches. Yeah. Let's say this is the section. So several sections. I use different color. Yeah, the green are the sections. And then we translate the same sections here, but the intersection points of the roads with these sections will also be translated. I'll use red for that. So for here it would be like this is the highway, this is the primary road, this is the highway, another highway, then some complex dots. Yeah, this would be really difficult to make out and wouldn't make much sense, but we'll do it anyways, just as a mapping style. And then we are going to allocate the street width. So this would be the largest. This would be the smallest. Would be again the largest. 12 meters, I think. Yeah. So this map is what I want to create within half an hour or so. And also there will be a bar graph running along to the right side where these street widths would be added up and put into the graph here. So let's say here the intersections are very less. Here there are many. Here is again less. Here there are many. So we can get this graph, which I'm figuring out, which I haven't figured out. So I'll do it um, on the go. Uh, Okay, so we don't need perspective. We are working on 2D. So we put it to shaded so we get a nice white plane. And where is the map? We press Z space E space. Zoom extend. Because this is OSM data, so the coordinates matches with the real coordinates of the world. So that's why we can see these -1295 blah blah blah. It's very far from origin. Okay, so this is the north. Let's make a rectangle for reference. Okay, then I'll create these sections, which will simply be lines. So we can have um, one line and then an array of those. And then we look at intersection command. I've never used intersect. Uh, intersect, intersection, interconnect. I'll Google it, I guess, to um, find point of intersection of two curves. I think the component is called curve intersection, CCX. I forgot about this. I have used this. So there will be all the lines that I made in curve A and all the roads in curve B. Okay, then we get a list of points. What is params A? Anyways, we just need the points and then we can create the roads. So there will be four types of intersections, highway and all that. Where is highway? This is the highway. Let's create four of them. Okay, this would be secondary. This would be the, well, technically that was primary. This is secondary. And this is the tertiary one, residential, polyline. We don't need the offset. I'll actually have to figure out what to do with these offsetted ones, like they're already offsetted, or is it fine? Anyways, since the whole file is in Grasshopper, let's not draft anything on the Rhino file and make everything right here. So let's have a rectangle. Create a rectangle. I don't know what is this point. Point. That one point. Oh, okay. Can we internalize it? Oh no, we can't. Deconstruct. Well, that's a big number. Okay, I'm digressing. I shouldn't be like thinking about this so much. Um, Just need to make lines. Uh, I guess we'll just um do it anyways. The coordinate thing. Yeah. Um minus 8333400 and multi-line data. I'm pretty sure there must be some easier way, so do let me know. 427000. And lastly, oh, it's of course zero. We don't need that. Um, construct point x and y. The point goes here. We delete this and this. Yeah, this is just basic stuff. Yeah, so we got the point. We need a massive rectangle. Um, this is minus 448,000, and we are going to plus 448,000. That's 1,000,000. One, two, three, four, five, six. That's larger than that. Wow. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Oops, sorry. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Ah, that's too big. Delete. Reduce the size. Ah, cool. That's pretty small. Um, one, two, three, four, five, six. One, two, three, four, five, six. That's 4,000,000. Cool. And we want a rectangle, so we're oh, gonna split it off. Yeah, that looks cool. That looks fine. Should be in a slider. Minus 237,000. What? Oh, right. 437,000. If you put a minus sign, it creates a subtraction thing. Then you simply double click the slider and change the sign. How to do that? Minus X? Yeah, it works. Cool. We need it. Well, I think it's fine. X coordinate. All right. Spending too much time on this. We got the rectangle. I guess we'll just explode it, and we get these four segments. We'll take one segment and then uh, create those sections. Item in the list item. There are list, so there are the four segments inside it, and then we put a slider of four and see which one is our, like this one, two. We got that. Then we create an array, linear array. Direction is y-axis, y. What? Oh, oh, okay. So direction is not only direction, but also we have to set the factor. What would be the spacing? So let's take 100 meters, that would be this many, 100,000 millimeters. Because this is an mm, that's pretty crazy. And the OSM data is an mm. Unless you know how to fix that, then do let me know. Actually, it should be in the negative z y direction because we're going from top to below, or we can take the below one. Yeah, please don't crash. Cool. I think the spacing is still too narrow. Let's do it 500, 23. So half a kilometer. Huh. Count would be 8, I guess, then. So to less, 200 meters, 100,000, yeah. Then we increase the count to, I don't know, 20 maybe. Perfect. That's 20, 19. All right. Now, um, intersecting points, right? So this gives me all of my um, lines that would be intersecting with all the roads. So I need to connect that with all of these four. Yeah, that's okay. Nice, nice. Let's save it again. And lastly, the highways. Okay, we are going to translate all this to uh, the map on the right. So we'll move it all separately because we want different things. Did I take the offset or not? That's the question. I don't know. Because some of them are offsetted already. I think we should take the offset because I don't know if there is any way to um, remove this offset and have a single line, like create a new line. It's easy to offset, like this pink ones that I've done. So there was a middle line between it originally in the OSM data, and then I did the offset on either side. But for those which are already offsetted, I don't know if I know I don't think we can. I guess because I want to do that because it would be easier to calculate in the graph. Actually, we can just divide it by 2 and then add it. I think it's fine. We'll have the offsetted ones. So we take the offsets and put it here. Is it crashed? Oh no, it's not crashed. No. All right. Well, we can have 4 maps and one map which has overlaid everything. Let's do that. To the right, we'll move. Motion is X and factor is a lot. The geometry are the points. Where are you? Okay. This would be everything. And should we connect it? No, it would be just the roads again, so we don't need to connect it. We'll have this geometry as well, the rectangle. Sorry, the rectangle and the array. Um, cool. Right. Um, okay, so this is only the tertiary roads. Let's do the same thing for secondary, but we have it further apart. Do we move it top? Like, did we do that? I think it's fine. Oh, come on. I have to do this like eight every single time. Damn. Da, 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 da. This comes. Okay, that's why it happened. I need to remove this. That's it. And we move this further to the right. And finally, remove this. Put the highways in and we move it here. What? Okay. Cool. Now what? Now I can create lines on these roads. You need to have an overlapping of all of them as well. Pretty simple. And we move it further apart. It's got everything. And probably we can have a graph here, bar chart here for knowing the um, road, the area covered by the roads. Okay, these points look horrible. I can have like lines, small lines going up using line STL, start point, direction, and length. That is too small, like from far away, we can't see it. Anything else? What I want to do is um, create like a bar, strips, kind of extrusions, but I don't know how to do that. No. All right, let's create SDL lines, and that's how it's gonna be. SDL direction for all will be y, unit y, and the length would be, I don't know, maybe 100. I think that would be half the distance. Oh, 100 is too less. 100,000. I think that would be too much. Let's see. Oh, sorry. The length is here. The direction is already given. Was there a from rectangle? Oh, right. I just need to take the points. Cool. My bad. Because in this move, everything is there. There is rectangles and lines. We just needed the points. Where is this? How do we see that? Ah, this one. Oh no, I didn't. Oh, oh. Ah, okay, 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 okay. So I need to move it with that. It's showing up on the original map. I don't want that. I want it here or somewhere else. Here. But the data for this thing is the combined data of everything, right? So I can't just create lines. But what we can do is we can move it back and then add it to the move geometry. Then we can see it here. Simple as that. So messy. I think it's fine. Let's also color code it and before copying it. There is a human plugin or something like that. I don't know. Line weight, custom preview line weights. Yeah, that's it. We've got the. Oh, it doesn't work that way. Oh, once it moves, then I can't change the preview. What I'm thinking, I need to change the color and then move it, but after it's moved, only then I can change the color. And yeah, because there is no like output of the geometry. Anyway, let me try. Swatch. It's obviously not gonna work. Yeah, it's not working. It has only worked for this part. It is white, that's why we can't see it. That's just, yeah, I mean, I know the solution, but it's just so lengthy. Let me see. There is the rectangle. Huh? I don't know. What we're gonna do is we are going to separate it out. Just take this in, remove it from here. Sorry, remove it from here, and then have this separate geometry as these lines. So let's see. Oh, sorry. It's changing. Yeah, it's changing. Cool. And the thickness is 2, 3. Cool. So bad. Need to hide all the points. Let's see a line. Where's it? Yeah. This is not like very difficult and like tough to understand. It's just very lengthy. And this is turning out to be a very boring video, but oh, what else? What else? What else? We need to remove these points. But okay. Uh, I can't hide the points because everything is going into the same geometry move part. So do I even need the points? We don't need the points. So we can simply remove it and have this. Oh, that looks much better. Clean. We can have a very like light profile of the city here. Um, hmm. We can use snazzy maps to get a grayscale image. Then overlap it over this. Okay. Yeah, we'll do that later. Let's finish this boring stuff. I'm spending a lot of time here because after that it's simply mechanical thinking about what else I can add. I don't think there is anything. Yeah, I guess that's it. We'll take all of this and SDL and this slider, copy. Now we take um, this into here. Wait. Oh, this is so confusing. Wait. Okay, I already have moves. I just need these things. Oh, much better. We take the points, put it at the start point of the SDL. And we have to change this so that we can get it here. Got the length, got the direction. What's the problem? At the start point is different. And this is not connected to anything. Huh? How did that happen? Okay. I made a mistake. Cool. This is here and this is here. Like before, we can remove the points from the move, which is, let's see, here. Yeah. Tough, 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 tough stuff. It takes like so much energy. Uh, to do this again. Uh, okay, we go here. Let's put this thing far away. Um, focus, focus, focus. Maybe I don't need this again and again. Oh no, we need that. Okay. Um, th this goes here. Remove the point from this part. Oopsie. Oh, that's right. Actually, do this as well. Um, start point of the line. Start point of the line. There you are. The points that we need to the start point of these small lines. Yeah, cool. Change the color to something else. I don't know, green. Uh, purple. And lastly, we have the tertiary roads. Actually, let's make this orange. And let's make this what it was. Oh, so black, red, orange, purple. Black, red, orange. Not much difference. That's better. And lastly, purple. What all do we need? Think all of this. Yeah. Line STL, the direction and length, and we're going to move it, right? So, cool. Disconnected it. We need this to emotion. The start of the lines is are the points. Perfect. Done. Purple, purple, whatever that color is. All right, cool. And we do all that for here. That will be very messy. Um, I think that would be very, very messy. Uh, let's talk about the graph. Can I have number of intersection points in a panel? So like this line has these number of intersection points. If I have that, then it's done. But I need to figure that out. Where is the intersection thing? Here is the intersection thing. Actually, the list length would give me the number of intersection points, and that's easy. Oh, great. That's just so easy. Perfect. Yeah, we can create a bar graph or something. Um, cool, let's do it. Where is it gonna start though? Do we have a pie chart or no, not a pie chart. Bar graph. Never use this. What if I do this? Oops. What's happening? I'm using this for the first time, so I'm just figuring it out. Oh, so the number of fours would give me the. Okay, understood. Nah, this won't work. Uh, mm, oh wow, this is actually cool. No, no, I think we'll just make it on our own. Like, as the paint. I have a starting point. I've got a line, and then I extrude it. So it becomes a bar. This extrusion will be based on the number of intersection points of tertiary roads. Okay, so there will be one, two, three, four. Okay, highway, primary, secondary, and tertiary, and all of these will protrude according to the number of intersections they have. Simple as that. Ah, cool. That works. That would work. Um, I need these four lines first. It can't be an array. It can be an array, and then we can use item index. Yeah, it's. I can do that. Cool. And all of these, like they will start here. So we've already constructed a point. So let's use that. Um, cool. Below. Yeah, that should be the starting point of the first line. Uh, DL, I guess. Direction negative y. Direction. Sorry. Is it like this? What's happening? Wait. What? Graphic data. So there is no negative value. That's for sure. One in it maybe. Cool. So I know the direction. The start point is this. The length is 100,000. That's too small. One, two, three. One, two, three. 1 million. That's too big. Too big. 500,000. Cool. All right. Let's just hide this. It looks ugly. Now we'll extrude it. Direction is X. Where is X? Unit X. And this is actually gonna be used. The distance is the length of the extrusion will be based on the number of points. So list length, params. And now we multiply it with some value. This is the base. Multiply. Actually, wow, what happened? Line could not be extruded. Line cannot be extruded. Why? Oh, that's crazy. But, I mean, of course, there are other options. You can use a 3-point rectangle, but it should have worked. Or another rectangle of plane surface. Just need something solid. Do you have a 3D graph? It would look so cool. Hmm. Curvature graph. Oh no, that just shows how sharp that curvature is. And the direction of the curvature. What else? Oh, firstly, why is line not extruding? Grasshopper, line not extruding. Extrude a line in Grasshopper. I'm trying to extrude line. I can simply move the line and then loft it. That would be like easiest. Why can't I just simply extrude it? Why can't I extrude it? Direction is unit X. Direction is X. Yeah. Uh, just 500. Oh, it's working. What? Crazy. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's working. Okay, so lines do get extruded. But then why? What's the list length giving me? Ah, okay. It needs to be flattened. That was, now it's giving me the right. But why is it just 44? It should be. Oh no, this is the. Okay, okay, cool. This is the highways, so it's less. Well, that was easy. We need to let an expression x multiplied by 100,000 commit changes. So whatever it gets, gonna multiply it by that. It is too much, so we're gonna reduce 10. Cool. This is the extrusion of all the blah, 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 blah. Wait a second. Also, we'll only get one graph. Huh. Pie chart? No, pie chart won't be fine. Actually, we can create a pie chart as well. Like both of them would give me better. What is this? What is this? Okay. Okay. Cool. So we can like put all the list length into it and we can get it like directly. That's so nice. Can we have a pie chart here on the Rhino screen? I don't think so. Uh, like we can create it on our own, but that would like just take so much time, and I've already taken so much of your time. Um, we'll have a pie chart someplace else. We need to copy this. Okay, so this is set. Got a line, and then we are extruding it. Uh, Let me think. Just move that line down, put another extrusion, and then connect the list length of that pattern. Yeah. So let's like separate this out here. Move motion y negative, y negative. How much? It was 100,000. So let's say 200,000. 0.23. So we need more. Cool. And then we extrude this, right? Let's take it away. Yeah, it's fine. We extrude that uh, using the list length of primary points params. Okay. It have showed you where I'm getting it from. I just a second. It was this params. You know, it listed down all the number of intersection points. So that's that. Uh, that was I. This is it. The length goes into this one. Why is it the same? Why is it the same? There is a slight increase. That's stupid. This is sad. Like, come on. How can they be same? All right. Anyways, I got this. I think we need to copy all of this again. and move this further down and connect this with params of this one. And lastly, this one. Okay. So once you set a base script for that certain task that you want to do, it becomes very easy to go ahead with it. How do I increase this? Two. No, I want to increase this. This won't work. That's even less. Ah, yep, it tests your patience, I guess. We connect this with params of this one. Perfect. Let's give them color. Black, red, and that. Custom preview. Custom preview. Region. Actually, let's just copy it first. And one more. Yeah. Everything is pink. Uh, hide it all. Let us hide this all. I just need to clean this up. Okay. Now we connect the same colors as the roads to them. Nice. I think we can move the entire graph to the right. Maybe right this point. This looks neat. Cool. The last thing that is left is just map behind it with like slight opacity, with transparency, labeling and all that stuff is left. Anything else that we can do? Um, so today we did this. Cool. Well, let's connect all of this and see what happens. This is all the number of intersections that we got. Why isn't this going in? Yeah, perfect. Oh no. Ah, okay. Oh, I can use maths to create my own pie chart. Pretty easy. Uh, that's sad. It's the same as the bar graph. It will just if there is more number 44s, then it will show it higher. But according to it, there is just like 4 data incoming, so that won't work. All right, let's use paint again. Uh, I don't know. We add all of those. We get some number, big number, let's say 1,000. 1,000 divided by 360. Then each one unit would be, sorry, 1 degree would be the number of units, whatever we get. We multiply it with the um, values. Can't write in this. Anyways, we multiply it with the values. Then what? Hmm. Okay, there will be a circle. If we multiply it with, oh, we multiply, wait a second. We actually have to divide it. Oh, right, we have to divide. So the value divided by this number would give me the angle that I want here. Then how do I start the new one? Well, I can just rotate it by the previous angle. Yeah, this is possible. So I should also, like, I should keep this as a different tutorial, how to create a pie chart. Must be a simpler way, but what if you use a box? Oh, that is too simple. Yeah, that is too simple. Let's just leave it. I guess we don't have to do that. This is explanatory, self-explanatory enough. Tertiary roads are higher number, higher number. What I wanted to do is create graphs separately. Let me see. If this is already grafted, this is confusing. Wait a second. I can see some of them having, what is this? What is this? Okay, so to check what is happening, let's try item, list item, put it in index 6, yeah, and turn that on only. Where is it? Oh, so this is not any geometry. Okay, cool. Just something that is just a number. Are the points grafted? Interesting. Okay, so this is the branches. Just simplify it. 42. Okay. Oh no, I don't know. I don't know. Uh, 3, 4. What is 3, 4? 4, 3. 3, 4, 3, 5. 4, 3. Nothing, nothing, nothing. How many lines are there? Is that 19? Oh, right. So, okay. So mm, I think I understand. So 1612 means the 16. No, I don't know. 44. So there are 44 points. 16 would be 1 point on 12th line. 16 is also on the 13th line. 16 is on 14th line. So on 18, 17, 16, 15, there are no points. No, but there are. Look, 17 here. It is. There is a point. What's the this branch number of? It's tough. I guess. No, I don't know. Um, if you delete all the null values, you'll get something. But that would be in a pattern, so that should work. Um, null item, replace nulls, delete nulls. No, I think that's clean or something. Clean tree. Remove all null and invalid items. Let's see. Remove nulls. No, input parameter tree. Oh, so this will be just a toggle, boolean toggle. Okay, let's see what do we get here. I told you to remove all the null values. They're still there. True, true. Let's make this true. Cool. Okay, let's flatten it. Everything is in a sequence and there must be some pattern. Let's figure that out. Index OT is be in a sequence. Where is it? Here it is. Okay. What? Where? Oh, okay. Ah, it's random. Yeah, it's random. Well, that's sad. Oh, can't do anything about it. Well, actually, we can. We can say that all the points with the same y coordinate are in the same line. Yeah, we can do that, but is it worth the pain? And we can do like other things much better than this. Let's just remove all that. Anyways, I think this is fine. We got a nice graph. So, I mean, this map is from some book which I don't remember, which somebody presented, and it gave us an idea about what the road coverage is, the typology of road. Like it's so uniformly distributed here. It must be like the city core. And then these are connecting some amenities. These are acting as diagonals. You can see a nice pattern going on here. The radial, these are like diagonal roads cutting through those radial patterns. And this is just cutting through the city. Like, uh, yeah, pretty interesting. These are very uniformly distributed. Cool. I guess that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sorry if this wasn't instructional and I did not explain everything because I was thinking at the same time. Um, this is the first time I'm doing this. Uh, what else? Yeah, let me know in the comment section what to improve on. I would love to hear that. Do suggest me quicker ways of doing the things that I've done. Um, See you next time and have a lovely day. Take care.